Hello, my Dreamslands friend and family. How are you today? It's so good to see you. And it's Friday. Yay! Hooray to celebrate. We made another week, and my kids, Jenny and Hans, are very happy. Guess what? They always look forward to something to celebrate. And today they said, okay, starting at 6 p.m. on Friday, it is weekend. That means we can watch something on iPad. Okay, that is their screen time. They earned it. Guess what's in my hand? What? No, it's not a date. What did you say? It's a seed. Ooh, you're right. What kind of a seed? Avocado. And that's right. It's really kind of a big seed. And I was wondering whether I can put in the water, a shallow water in a container to see whether it can grow into a plant. Smells good. And Jenny asked me whether it can grow into a plant and we can have avocado tree in our yard. I doubt it because I think avocado will do better in Mexico, but I think we can plant some sunflower seed. And last year, as I told you, we planted a sunflower plant and it grew up so tall, taller than I am. That was a lot of fun. So today, as you may guess, I'm going to read you a book, Dr. Seuss book, and it's all about seed.So it's a fun book. All my scientists, are you ready? Let's start. Oh, see, can you see it? I'm the cat in the hat, and I think you need to come take a look at this thing called a seed. From the giant gum tree to this very small weed, every flowering plant started out as a seed. Plants are so useful to me and to you. Can you think of the ways I will name you a few? The paper for books and the cloth for your pants came from trees and from cotton. That's two kinds of plants. The greens and the fruits and the veggies you eat. Why? They come from plants too. And here's something neat. In deserts and woods and rainforests, thick grow plants that can make you feel well when you are sick.Yes, plants serve us well and fill so many needs. And flowering plants all started as seeds. Just what is a seed? You're wondering? Maybe. Well, you might see a seed is a tiny plant baby.The best way for you to see just what I mean is to take a close look at a seed called a bean. Like all seeds, a bean comes in three basic parts. Thing 1 and thing 2, please bring on the charts. Part 1 is the first that I think you should know.Is the part that the baby is called embryo. This part. The sprout, it needs food like you and I do. Well, brings us to seed part, numeral 2. It is called cotyledon. See? Isn't that fun? This bean seed has 2.But same others have 1. Last comes the third part that you need to know. It's the coat, which protects our cute bean embryo. To sprout a bean seed, keep it moist, but not wet. Keep it covered with dirt and then see what you get. In 7 also days comes the part that I love. A root spreads below and the stem shoots above. Now, in order to show a grown bean plant to you, we will travel in time for some month, maybe 2. Scene 2 calls the part above ground the shoot system. Scene 1 calls the part underground the root system. This part, shoot system. Underground, root system. To get a good look at roots on the ground, it's better to make like a mole. I have found roots are not pretty. They're twisty and hairy, and some roots look even a bit scary. Roots anchor a plant and help it stand true. Roots suck up the water and minerals too, and roots keep the soil from just washing away. That's pretty important now, wouldn't you say? Dr. Sue, I agree with you. We've talked about roots. We've learned about them. Now it's time to move on to the stem. The stem is a pipe through which water shoots. It's absorbed from the soil and passed up through the roots. It shoots through the plant, and next you'll see the leaves each turn into a food factory. Just like the rhinos protected with horns, the stems of a rose is protected with thorns. Eee! Don't touch it. Leaves come in all shapes and all sizes. I've found some small and some spiky, some big and some round. Narrow leaves, toothed edges, wavy edges, lobed edges. But the thing that all leaves have in common is that they made their own food by photosynthesis. I will say that quite loudly. I don't mean to be rude, but what? Plants are the only living things on earth that make their own food. To do that, plants need water, minerals, and sun. And that's why the daytimes when the food making is done. For your information and also for fun, hop in my shrinking upper and let's see how it's done. Ready? Let's get in. Okay, buckle up. Here we go. The leaf takes in carbon dioxide through a stoma or pore. It works like a mouth. That's what it's for. Then the air gets mixed in with water and sunlight. And that's how food making factory is run. I see my clock that now is the hour to drop in and say hello to the flower. Plants breathe out a gas that we breathe in. The name of that gas is oxygen. Thing 2 has a chart. He will share it with you that shows what the parts of flower will do. Oh, I would love, this is my favorite lesson. I'm going to tell you the part of flower. But for now, I will just tell you the female part is called pistil. And the male part is called stamen. And these are the petals. All together, they called corona. In the pistil are ovules. They are unfertilized seeds right here. The stamen holds pollen right here, which is an ovule needs. An unfertilized ovule will not ever grow. The pollen is the stuff that will mix that, you know. I wonder what are the bees' role? To bring pollen into the pistil. A flower's own pollen or another one's okay. That's where the bees play a role. By the way, we will learn more now. To make honey, bees need to get nectar. Nectar from flowers. They fly and they gather their sweet stuff for hours. So pollen sticks onto their bodies and legs. Look at it. It falls off and sometimes it reaches the eggs. An ovule that's fertilized becomes a seed. Around it, it grows fruit, upon which we feed. When we see the word fruit, do you know that? What does that mean? It means olives, nuts, greens, plantains, tangerines, and apple and oranges, pineapples too, all kinds of plant foods. They are healthy for you. Some fruits are juicy and messy to munch on. Dry ones like nuts and are nice just to crunch on. Not all plants with seeds give us edible fruits. Some plants have seeds that look weird or look cute, but seeds are hitchhikers that ride on your clothes, and dandelion seeds sometimes fly up your nose. Achoo! Some seeds come in pods that explode like a sneeze. Other seeds may have wings and can fly on a sneeze. But whether they stick on or they blow or they fly, seeds bring us life, and now you know why. I see the sun setting and here comes the moon. Your mother is calling, your dinner is soon. I hope you have learned from my little seed talk, and I will climb up this giant beanstalk. Oh, very big. I guess this brings us to the end. Enjoying your weekend, my friend. I will see you next week. See you, see you, see you.